So you're in your car now. You pull into the driveway, right? But when it's time to get out, you have to pause. Then you have to push yourself up with both hands. It can take you by surprise, really. But there is good news. You can get back what you had before. In this video, I'll show you simple, powerful moves from the 5BX60 program that rebuild leg strength after 60, so you stay active, independent, and strong. I'll even give you a free starter packet to help you begin today. Let's make those everyday moments easy again. Hi, I'm Andy. I'm 77 years old. I'm a cancer survivor. I'm a certified fitness instructor, and I'm the creator of the 5BX60 program. I lead group classes for older adults, and I've helped hundreds regain their strength, their balance, and confidence without setting foot in a gym. Now, most people think weakness in the legs is just part of aging, but it's actually a condition. It's a condition called sarcopenia, the natural loss of muscle that happens when we stop using it. It sneaks up on us. If you found yourself ever struggling, to get up from a chair, bracing on a railing to climb stairs, or feeling tired on your feet, that's sarcopenia in action. But here's the thing. It is reversible. The program was originally created by Dr. Bill Orban, a brilliant exercise physiologist who discovered an exercise system for Air Force pilots to keep pilots fit using short, effective workouts that didn't need equipment. I've adapted that program into 5BX60 specifically for people over 60. It works because it's simple, safe, and scalable. And today, we're focusing on how it builds leg power. Let's walk through the 5BX60 daily routine and focus on how each move strengthens your lower body. I'll show you 5 reps of each so you can follow along with my workout earlier today. Toe touches. Reach toward your toes gently. Keep knees soft. This stretch lengthens your hamstrings and helps improve posture and stride. Sit-ups or core crunches. Lie back, knees bent, cross arms, and come up slowly. You're working your core and hip flexors, vital for rising from chairs and walking. The Superman exercise is sometimes referred to as a back extension, or in yoga, the locust pose. It's a bodyweight exercise that strengthens the back and glutes. Lying face down, lift your legs, and your glutes, hamstrings, and back fire up. These support an upright posture. And push-ups, use a wall or a countertop. Keep your body aligned, your legs stabilized as your arms do the pushing. And cardio. Now for cardio, think of it as the exercise you loved as a kid. For me, it's jump rope, but it's about actively walking or gardening or cycling, for example. It is getting the blood pumping and legs moving. 5BX60.com can help you get started. Now, those 5 daily 5BX60 moves lay a powerful foundation. They stretch, activate, and strengthen the muscles that support your lower body. But what if you want to speed up your progress, or you're starting with more limited mobility? That's where these bonus moves come in. They're simple, effective, and they target the 3 key areas that matter most for lower body strength after 60. Hip mobility, knee extension, and balance control. And the best part, you can do them all seated using a simple resistance band. Okay, let's start with the seated leg press. Strength and mobility. This one's perfect for strengthening your thighs and improving hip and knee mobility right from a chair. Sit tall with your feet hip width apart. Bring one knee up toward your chest and loop the center of a resistance band under that foot. Hold the ends of the band tightly near your waist. Now press your foot forward and straighten your leg out in front of you as far as you can. Then slowly bring your knee back up toward your chest. That's 1 rep. You'll feel your quads working. Aim for 12 to 16 reps per leg. Here's a pro tip. If the resistance is too great, move your grip lower, closer to your foot to ease the tension. A seated hip abduction for balance and stability. Now this one targets the outer hip muscles, the ones that help you stay balanced and prevent side-to-side wobble. Sit near the edge of your chair, wrap a resistance band around both legs just above your knees and hold the ends. Place your feet slightly wider than shoulder width. Now, slowly press those knees outward, keeping your feet flat. Pause for a count of 2, then bring your knees back in with control. You're strengthening your abductors here, those small but mighty muscles on the outer hips. Do 12 to 16 reps. Okay. A seated resistance band squat. Strengthen mobility here. This one's a bit more advanced, but a great leg builder if you're ready. Sit with your feet hip width apart. Loop the band under both feet and hold the ends at waist height. Now stand up, keeping the band taut, and then slowly lower yourself back down with control. Try for 12 to 16 reps, and don't worry if standing up isn't in the cards today. Just stick with the leg press for now. You'll build the strength to progress. So resistance bands are low impact, affordable, and they're easy to adapt for any strength level. Unlike weights, they're joint friendly and add variable resistance, meaning your muscles work harder the further you stretch. All right, how about for a little bit of fun with the jump rope challenge? All right, now it's time to talk about something that's got people moving, smiling, and even a little competitive. It's called Beat Andy Jump Rope Challenge, and yes, you are invited. Every morning I do 100 jumps a day. There's no timer, there's no stopwatch or anything. It's just me, my rope, and a great way to wake up my body and my brain. But here's the best part. You can match and march in place, do toe taps, or even hop gently on the balls of your feet. It's all fair game. Why jumping? Because just a few minutes of light bouncing or marching, it improves bone density and leg strength and balance and coordination and cognitive function and even your mood. Seriously, this one movement can wake up your whole system. And no, it doesn't matter if you're not at 100 reps yet. Start with 10, build to 20, and celebrate your 30. Use the tracker and the free starter packet to mark your progress. You'll be amazed at how quickly your stamina and balance improve. And remember, it is not about being fast, it's about showing up every day and having fun with it. You've got nothing to prove, just something to gain. Your next step is just a click away. But if it was helpful today, please subscribe and then head over to 5bx60.com where everything you need is waiting for you. You'll find downloadable starter packets, you'll find exercise handouts with illustrations, a 7-day calendar and tracking sheets, guides for designing your own 5bx60 workout, and yes, even extra tools for beating Andy at the jump rope challenge. And here's something I'm especially proud of. You can send me a personal message right on the website. Tell me what you're working on and what you're struggling with, or just say hello. I respond to every note and I love hearing from you, and you don't have to figure this out alone. I'll keep helping you build a routine that fits your body, your goals, and your life. You might get distracted every now and then. You see Charlie coming through the scene every now and then. He's my dog buddy. I can't live without him. But please do check with your doctor before beginning any new workout routines. Your legs are your power base. Don't let them go. Subscribe for more. Share this video with a friend and visit 5bx60.com for free tools, guides, and support. And let's keep aging strong together.